Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Everything, Everything. In this video I'll show you how to record your system sound. For example, like if you are playing some music just like this one. And if you want to record this sound using your sound recorder, then in this video I'll show you how you can do this. So first you need to go to the control panel. Okay, go to the control panel, click on hardware and sound. Now click on sound. Okay, now in the sound window, click on the recording tab. Okay, now in this window, right click and click on show disabled devices. The stereo mix option will come up. Now right click on the stereo mix option and click on enable. Again right click on the stereo mix option. No, seems like you don't have to do that right click once again. So now click on OK. So now we have the setup ready to record that sound. We have a music player on. Yeah, now you need to open your voice recorder, the sound recorder that you have. Open your voice recorder. Now play the music. After I click on the play button, you can first start this sound recorder. Okay, so the recording started. Now you can start your audio file and it will get recorded by the sound recorder. Click on stop recording. So this is the file now. And actually you can try play it and it will work. See, it works. So yeah, it works. So it's quite easy, and I hope that you like this video. Bye for now. See you soon.